this is Olivia's Adventure. Right now, we're going to have our breakfast. This hotel's breakfast is the best, because we have our fresh brewed coffee, a cappuccino, and there are a lot of choices of
We
food.
have
So this
fresh
is my
orange juice
breakfast.
and
I have fresh
cappuccino. And we
orange
have
juice
salad.
and the bread salad
Orange
and a lot of bread to choose from. And I really enjoyed my breakfast here. Siguro naka-dalawang kape ako. And then nakamadami akong orange juice, mga three or four times I made fresh orange juice there.
Masyado kasi malaki ang ano mo eh. Ihati.
Nahihirapan. Ito okay. Ito malaki. Wala na ata. Fresh orange juice. Tagalan mo.
Ha? Ano eh? Tagalan ko.
This is the view from where we are eating our breakfast. Yan, that's the view.
Parang hindi gumagalaw ang pila.
And then
Hindi pa siya.
this is the picture that we took here. Ayan, that's my picture. And we are now here at Santa Maria Maggiore. And there's a line because I think there's a mass. So they are not letting people inside.
Grace Hub Shop.
So we have to wait for the mass to end, and now they're letting us enter the church to view the tomb of Saint Carlo Acutis. Nung pumunta pa kami, parang hindi pa siya saint noon. We were there July 2025.
Layo.
Ayan, kaya summer pa noon. We cannot take a picture doon sa tomb ni Carlo Acutis, but we can take picture here in the church. Yun ata.
Itong 31. 31. Saan yung 31?
Makikot, Santa Clara. Oo. Malapit lang. Ay, may ano.
O tama, Santa Basilica de
Alera.
Santa.
Oh,
Nalipicture mo
nakarating tayo. Nakarating kami, Ate Alice. Dito na kami. St. Clair daw.
Ayan.
Ah. Yung mga sinauna. Dito, anong makikita natin? Kaya ano tayo sa kanila kung saan sila pupunta. church. Mahirap.